Hey, this is Gary Berger of Berger Law here with my client and friend Jason. Jason, how are you today?
I'm great, Gary.
Good, excellent. So tell me about why are we here today?
Well, I have a personal injury case that Gary was handling for me, and I just have to say I'm very pleased with the results today.
So you were a passenger in a car. Another driver hit the trailer, the trailing vehicle. Y'all were trailing a vehicle, and it caused you all to go all over off the roadway, right?
Correct.
What were your injuries?
I've got a torn labrum here in my shoulder, some neck and back injuries that required chiropractic care, a few bumps and bruises other than that.
And and I know you had another lawyer who helped you out in your case, and then he asked me to come in and help, right?
Correct.
We've been in the case for how long?
Less than 6 months.
A few months, and what we did when we got the case, because we're more trial and litigation lawyers, we filed a lawsuit. We did the written discovery. We did your deposition, right?
Correct.
And Jake did that. How'd you like that experience? It's the depot.
It was in a relaxed atmosphere. I really enjoyed it, and Jake made it really easy.
He's a good lawyer. He's good at that. He's holding the camera for us. I held the camera for him last week, though. So we have many talents. So then we just got done literally like 20 minutes ago with a mediation where we were at my office. We're in my office now, and we mediated the case. Did you know anything about mediation coming into it?
Nothing at all.
What were your fears or concerns coming into today? Before we sat down, because we spent a lot of time talking today.
My main concern was getting surgery to get my shoulder taken care of so I can go back to work like I should be able to make the amount of money I need to. This is not only going to do that, but it's also going to bring me out of any debt that I've incurred in the last 20 years, so I'm pretty pleased.
Thank you. Yeah, and that was one of the things that was interesting to navigate. So I think it's a really remarkable settlement. You have, by my count, about 12,000 billed medical, about around 8,000 paid and a balance on it. And how much did we get for you today?
$90,000.
$90,000 on $8,000 in past medical. You had some wage loss damages too. Did that exceed your expectations?
Yeah, by quite a bit.
All right, good, thank you. And did I set you up to say that?
No.
We didn't prep this at all. We're just talking. So I know those were your concerns, and you and I spent a lot of time here sitting talking through the different scenarios, explaining it. Was that helpful to you?
It was, because without that, we probably would have been headed to trial, honestly. But I believe we reached a good settlement today. It's good for everybody involved.
One of the things that I find is that you understood the issues, you got what was going on, but one of the things that I try to bring to the table is I try to separate, compartmentalize, and analyze the issues so that you have a clearer way and a better way for decision making. That's what I tried to do today, to separate out. All right, here's our paths, here's what you can do, here's the numbers, here's the different scenarios. We're going to try to navigate our path to the best way. Did that happen today, or was that just me?
No, that happened. You did a fine job of it.
Okay. Great. Would you recommend Berger Law to other folks?
Oh, definitely. In fact, I do have somebody that I'm referring to you currently. I gave you your number last week.
Great. Thank you. Well, we're proud to help them, proud to anybody you know. I have to say, you're just I know we didn't grow up with the case. We got it from someone else, but it's just, you're a salt of the earth guy. You're a hard-working man. I'm sure, does everybody know you in Fredericktown?
Oh, yes.
All right. Everybody knows you. And I'm sure you're well liked, and so it's just an honor for me to represent you and to help you. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, cool. All right, thanks everybody. See you.